on stage before with Dana Lyons up in Seattle. He is a very, very talented and wonderful musician. I'd like to thank this side, Life Source Natural Foods and Weather Music, for sponsoring Dana to come here today, and give him a round of applause and enjoy his music.
Thank you, Carrie. Good afternoon, everybody. Really happy to be here with the Roots and Shoots crew here in Oregon. I'd like to start off with a little sing-along, and your part goes like this. You can grunt a little louder than that. Here we go. I am an animal. You are an animal. We both are animals. We eat like animals. We dance like animals. We love like animals. Hey, we all are animals. We all are animals. The reptiles have some class. They slither about in the grass. They like it when the weather's damp. They party deep in the swamp. They got smooth and shiny scales, long tongues and longer tails. Ooh. Can I see some reptiles out there? The birds do it all with their beaks. They eat and they clean and they speak. Their wings take them high in the air, and who knows what they do up there. They've got dances that can't be beat, with their feathers and rubber feet. Tweet, tweet. Can I hear some birds out there? Insects have some pride. They wear their skeletons outside. They can live anywhere, hot or cold, they do not care. With antennas and many eyes, they eat, reproduce, and they die. Okay, this is the mammal verse. How many mammals do we have here today? Raise your hand if you're a mammal. Quite a high percent, solid 97% mammals here today. I often get a large amount of mammals at my shows. The mammals are a wild bunch. They eat each other for lunch. They got fur as soft as silk. They feed their babies milk. They sing all the latest tunes. At night they howl at the moon. Fish dig a whole nother scene. Their whole world is aquamarine. Some are thin and some are fat. Some of their faces are flat. They take transatlantic trips. They do strange things with their lips. Ooh, can I see some fish lips out there? But let's not forget the plants. The plants have so much fun. They don't eat anyone. They just soak up in the sun. They rub their branches in the breeze. The dandelions tickle the trees. Oh, I am an animal. You are an animal. We both are animals. We eat like animals. We dance like animals. We love like animals. We all are